Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to delete a post on Facebook so that no one will see it. It is very simple. To do this, you click on the menu. After that, you click on your profile. You go down a little bit lower, and you open the post. Now you press the three dots, and you see the option, Move to Trash. This function helps to delete our publication. But if we want to remove our publication completely, you go back to your page, and you pull up Activity Log. And there is all the information we put up. We choose here Trash, and that's where we can select any post that we want. I don't have them because I haven't put anything up. But you select all the posts you want to delete, and then you click the trash button. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. See you later. Thank you.